We're here at Freedom Garage here during COVID-19 quarantine. My name is Dan, and I'm going to show you some of my quarantine projects I've been working on. First one is this my ZR-1 LT5. I've got the plenum off. Here you can see we've been digging down into the motor. Got the starter removed, got the coil packs removed, and I had to clear out that valley down below. So this is the drain hole of the LT5 motor. It's in the valley below the coil pack and the starter. You can see way down there, see that little hole is what usually gets clogged up. Mine had all sorts of stuff in it. And that's what you're going to want to clear. I ended up taking out a small little screwdriver and clearing it out. For those of you that own a LT5 ZR-1 Corvette, great piece of American machinery, you should also own another great piece of machinery, and that's an AR-15. The 223 brush that you use to clean the barrel fits right in there nicely and cleans out all that stuff. And then you can put a shop vac to it and then put some compressed air down there that will clear out that hole and make this valley a drain again. Hey, so I didn't have it when I was going through the plenum and that drain hole, but here's that 223 rifle barrel clean out brush that I use. Again, I use this for cleaning out my AR-15, 223, perfect size for that hole, that drain hole. I won't use this again on my rifle, but you can see a whole bunch of just stuff from that drain hole, but that drain hole is now cleared thanks to that. So go get you all one of these. You should already have one with your rifle. Hey, fastest starter install ever on a ZR-1 thanks to technology. So one thing, you can see the starter right on top of where that drain hole was. Don't do what I do. Make sure you pull this little pigtail out of the way. I put the starter right on top of it and had to dig that pigtail out before I connected it. So do that before you do anything, and then connect up your pigtail, connect up your line going to the battery, and everything here is a 1/2 inch nut and then 2 1/2 inch bolts, one there, one there. And you're good to go. Now we're going to next go ahead and put the coil packs right on top of here. So now we got everything wired, all those spark plug wires in there connected. You can see them on that coil pack. Make sure you get the numbers right with each of the cylinders. That's taken care of. So we took care of the drain and then that valley. We then put the starter back on. We then put that coil pack back on top and got all the spark plug wires taken care of. So again, make sure everything's in sequence of the numbering and all that. You'll be ready to go. Now I'm ready to put that plenum back on, but before that, got to get through some of these vacuum leaks that test all the lines and make sure everything's good and tight before we put that plenum back on. Otherwise, we'll be taking it back off. We'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching.